Assalamualaikum to everyone. Welcome to Mathematics Point. Today I'm here with practice now 5 of New Syllabus Mathematics D1, Chapter 2, Integers, Rationals and Real Numbers. So here we have two parts of practice now 5. Firstly, we solve the part A, in which you can see we have some mixed form and they're also used bracket in the statement. So we will solve the bracket. Now we have a mixed form 7 1 by 2 and two signs are going to be multiplied here, plus minus minus. After solving the bracket, now we will solve this mixed form. 2 sevens are 14. 2 is going to be multiplied with 7 and then 1 is added in this. 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 15. So we get 15 by 2. Now we convert this mixed form fraction in improper fraction. Then next, 5 threes are 15 plus 3 18. We always do this. We multiply these two terms and add the numerator. Now 3 fives are 15 and plus 3 18. 18 by 5. Now what is need to do? Now we take the LCM of 2 and 5. The LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. You can also find the LCM. 5 ones are 5, 2 and 2 ones are 2. So 2 fives are 10, so our LCM is 10. Now how many times we multiply 2 so we get the answer 5? We multiply 2 with 5 so we get the answer 10. 2 fives are 10. So multiply that 5 with your numerator, or you can also multiply with the denominator too. We have to balance this denominator. Suppose we have the LCM 10, so now we make the denominator 10. 2 fives are 10 and multiply that 5 also with the numerator. So now multiply 15 by 5. 5 fives are 25. To carry 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. So now we have 75. Next we have minus sign, so place the minus sign here. Now from which term we multiply 5, so we get the answer 10. So 5 twos are 10. Multiply that 2 with numerator and denominator. 2 eights are 8 multiplied by 2. 2 eights are 61, carry 2 ones are 2 plus 3. So we get 36. Now subtract 75 and 36. So by subtracting these two terms, we get the answer 39 by 10. We have to simplify this question. Now, if you look over your answer, that is basically not the answer because we have a numerator bigger than denominator. So we have to solve this question furthermore. We divide 39 by 10. 10 threes are 30. Minus 9. So now you write this term in the mixed form. 3. Write down this term in the denominator and move this remainder towards your quotient. Now, so it is your answer of practice now 5 part A. So here is the part B of practice now 5, in which you can say that we have some addition subtractions of negative numbers and mixed fractions. So first we have to solve the brackets. Minus 2 3 by 4 plus minus minus 5 by 6. Because in the multiplication, when plus sign going to be multiplied with minus, we get the answer minus. And minus minus plus. Now we have to solve this mixed form. 4 going to be multiplied with 2. 4 multiply with 2 and we add 3 in the answer. 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. So we get the answer minus 11 by 4 of this mixed form. Write down the next statement 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3, the remaining fractions. Now what is need to do next? For simplify this, we have to take the LCM of these remainders 4, 6 and 3, the denominator of these three fractions. So take the LCM 4, 6 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3, 2 1s are 2, 3, 3. Copy 3 as it because 3 is not divided with the table of 2. Now we divide with the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So we get the LCM 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Here we have the LCM of 4, 6 and 3, that is 12. Now, balance these fractions, make their denominator equal to this your LCM. Now we have 4, so when we multiply 4 with 3, we get the answer 12. So 3 is going to be multiplied with your denominator as well as your numerator. Place a sign that is placed in this position minus 3 11s are 33. Now 6 is going to be multiplied by 2, so we get the answer 12. So multiply by 2 with numerator as well as your denominator. 2 5s are 10, and what is the sign before 5? That is minus. Plus 3, when 3 is going to be multiplied by 4, so we get the answer 12. So multiply with denominator this 4 as well as for numerator. 4 2s are 8. Now from this step we have to balance our denominator of the fraction with our LCM and multiply that term with our numerator. So now we solve minus 33 minus 10 will become minus 43 plus 8 divided by 12. Now solve minus 43 plus 8 is equal to minus 35 by 12. Now again it is an improper fraction because we have a greater or bigger term in our numerator than our denominator. So we'll divide this term. 35 by 12. 12 2s are 24. Now subtract the term. 5 minus 4 1 and 3 minus 2 1. Now 11 is smaller than our dividend, so we stop our division here. Now write this division in the mixed form. Write down to 2 in the right side, 2. Make it a circle, 12, and move this 11 towards your top. Place this minus sign with your answer. Now this is your answer of the practice now 5 part B. So in practice now 6 we have a mixed form as well as mixed fraction as well as a fraction, and there is a multiplication sign between these two fractions, so we have to solve this in multiplication sign as we have done in the practice now 4 with addition and subtraction sign. Now we will solve our fractions with multiplication and division sign. So first of all we have to solve this mixed form. 3 2s are 6 and add this numerator, that is 2. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3. Now which sign we have in the middle, that is multiply 9 by 4. So keep one thing in mind that students, we can do cross cutting as well as the cutting from the denominator to the numerator when we have a multiply sign. So we can solve this. For 1s are 4, for 2s are 8. We also can do the cross as well as up and down cutting. And 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So what is left behind here, that is 2 by 1 multiply with 3 by 1. Now multiply the term. 2 3s are 6, numerators 2 3s are 6 and 1 multiply by 1. So we have 1 in our denominator, so there is no need to write 1 in the denominator. So 6 is our answer. Now in the second part we have a division sign between the two fractions. So first of all we have the same rule. We have to solve our fraction, that is in the form of mixed form. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. So 20 by 5 by 6. You just solve this fraction. Now division sign 5 by 2. So whenever there is a divide sign between two fractions, so we cannot solve this sign directly. We have to convert this division sign in multiplication sign. 2 by 6. So this division sign will be changed in multiplication sign, and whenever we change this division sign in multiplication sign, the term will become the reciprocal. What does this message reciprocal means? That your term will be inverted. 2 that is in your denominator will be gone in your numerator, and 5 that is in your numerator will be shift towards your denominator. That's become whenever we change this division sign in the multiplication sign, this term that is next to our division sign will become the reciprocal. Reciprocal means the invert or the reverse of that term. So 5 by 2 fraction will be converted to 2 by 5. Now we can solve this fraction. Yes, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, and 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now what is left behind? 5 divided by 3 and 1 multiplied by 1. So multiply the term. 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3. Now students, you can see that it is a proper fraction. No, because we have 5 and 5 is greater than 3. So we have a greater term in our numerator. Firstly, we have to convert this and simplify the question. So we have to divide this question. Now divide 5 by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So we convert this fraction in mixed form. Ahead, can you write? Your remainder will be right in the top of the position. Your question will be shifted towards your dividend, as your dividend will be shifted towards your remainder. So that is your mixed form answer. So it is all about your practice now 6. One thing you must keep in mind, that whenever is a multiply sign, you can cross or solve the cutting the terms simply, easily. And whenever there is a division sign between the fractions, so first of all you have to convert that division sign in multiplication sign. Whenever you convert that division sign in multiplication, the term next will become the reciprocal. And what does the reciprocal mean? Your term will be inverted. Then after that you will be able to cut in your terms, otherwise not in this position. So it is all about your practice now 6. Students, if you have any query that is related to your practice now 5 and 6, you can put your query in the comment box. And at the end, kindly subscribe the channel, like the video, as well as share the video. So Allah Hafiz. Thank you.